the market will end with about a 5-6 odd point change, and that's it. So 22,300 is where we are at, and it's very finely balanced by after all of that up and down. So big slide in the morning, got to an important kind of level, big near 200-point bounce from the day's high, and then of course about a 70-point drop off from the day's high as well. So that's the picture. The Nifty Bank will end about 0.4% lower, and mid caps and small caps positive after three days basically of some serious amount of pullback. There was a little bit of positivity, although there also I think the pullbacks took a bite out of the gains. Prima.
Well, in the last half an hour, there was a recovery in the mid-cap index. So it's not ending at the day's high, but in the last 30 minutes, it did manage to put on some heft. So the mid-cap index is up 0.8%. A quick word then on the big movers and shakers on the way down. Dr. Reddy's under pressure. Asian Paints down close to about 2%. HDFC Bank struggled today, and that dragged the overall Nifty Bank. And HUL saw some profit booking after yesterday's big gain. Auto was one of the big star sectors. The Nifty Auto Index up 1.5%. So Hero Motor Corp in line numbers, but the street is excited. And BPCL goes home as the top gainer after the decline we've seen in crude prices.
And yes, and finally, today the PSU boys are telling us that their party is not yet over because they took that breather last 2-3 days, sluggish to slightly lower. But today the PSU sectors come back with a bang. HUDCO, NBCC, REC, PFC, of course, GAIL, and it's cutting across market cap lines as well, from big to mid-sized stocks and NMDC Steel. And of course, on the Nifty, stocks like Coal India having a pretty decent session. BPCL, of course, was the Nifty gainer with a gain of about 3%. So all in all, a decent session for PSU stocks as well. With that, it is curtains on this edition of Closing Bell. Many thanks for being with us, but don't go anywhere because we will have all the market recap, plus, of course, the key cues to watch out for tomorrow coming up next in Markets Forward.